What's going on, guys? Figured I'd do a quick video to show you what we got going on this this Ryker. This customer just had us put an audio system in. Let me show you what we got. So got some Memphis audio 6.5s in the pods. They are like a matte black, so that matches very well. We also did it in a way where, you know, we don't hit it all. If I'm a pretty tall guy, about 6 foot myself. So, and that's got plenty of room there. And again, don't hit it all. But also the filters, when you got to change the filter on this side, you can still open and close that no problem. So not obstructive at all. These are powered off a Sound Digital 800.4 bridged amplifier, which we put in here. Made a custom bracket for the customer to kind of hold it and show off the amp, not using the space. It is bolted in there. Threaded inserts, nuts, bolts, all that good stuff's used. Everything's soldered, heat shrink. All the fusing for the amplifier is securely mounted on its own bracket up under there. But I got some royalty-free music here for you, so that way you can kind of hear how it sounds. Let's go to the next track here. Hold on, guys, bear with me. There we go.
I've been trying to reach you. You've been so distant. Give me a sign.
And it's actually all controlled. As you see, no radio. What we did, and let me show you that too. It's all controlled through Bluetooth, so we are using our phones for volume up and down. The customer will be mounting his phone on his handlebars, so he'll have the control there. But the Bluetooth adapter is actually mounted on the back side of this. And then it's just got audio out, which is going to the amplifier. Audio control makes the Bluetooth adapter, pairs up very quickly. So no complaints there. So no switches on and off or anything like that. Just turn your bike on, your phone pairs automatically, and you're ready to go. If you got any questions, we're here at Tint World in Baltimore, 717 North Point Boulevard. Stop by if you want your Ryker done like this. Let us know. This thing turned out awesome. Thanks for watching. Till next time. See you.